Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a game-changer for those chilly nights by the fire. The VODA 4-blade heat-powered stove fan. Now, before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, let me just say this. If you're in the market for the best stove fan out there, look no further. The VODA 4-blade heat-powered stove fan is truly in a league of its own. Let's talk about what sets this fan apart from the rest. First off, it's heat-powered, meaning no batteries or electricity required. That's right, it harnesses the heat from your wood or log burner to generate its own power, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Installation is a breeze. Simply place the fan on a smooth flat surface of your stovetop, near the side or back of the stovepipe, and watch it go to work. And with its innovative and durable design, you can trust that it'll stand the test of time. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the efficiency and effectiveness of the VODA stove fan. From its ability to circulate warm air throughout the room to its whisper-quiet operation. It's no wonder this fan has earned a 4.2-star rating with over 12,000 reviews. And let's not forget about its sleek and modern design. With its aluminum base and blades, this fan not only looks good but also won't rust or corrode over time. Plus, with options like the wood stove thermometer and magnetic stove thermometer, you can ensure optimal performance and safety every time. So there you have it, folks. The VODA 4-blade heat-powered stove fan is truly the crème de la crème when it comes to stove fans. Whether you're looking to maximize heat distribution, reduce energy consumption, or simply elevate the ambiance of your living space, this fan has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, stay cozy.